Comparison of Eurofighter Typhoon aircraft and Sukhoi Su-35 aircraft. Eurofighter Typhoon. Role, multi-role fighter. National origin, European Union. Introduction, August 2003. Unit cost, $105.7 million. Number built, 571, Sukhoi Su-35. Role, multi-role fighter. National origin, Russia. Introduction, February 2014. Unit cost, $100 million. Number built, 122. Eurofighter Typhoon. General characteristics. Crew, 1 or 2. Length, 15.96 meter. Wingspan, 10.95 meter. Height, 5.28 meter. Empty weight, 11,000 kilograms. Max takeoff weight, 23,500 kilograms. Sukhoi Su-35. General characteristics. Crew, 1 or 2. Length, 21.9 meter. Wingspan, 15.3 meter. Height, 5.9 meter. Empty weight, 19,000 kilograms. Max takeoff weight, 34,500 kilograms. Eurofighter Typhoon. Performance. Maximum speed, 2,125 km per hour. Combat range, 1,389 km. Ferry range, 3,790 km. Service ceiling, 65,000 feet, Sukhoi Su-35. Performance. Maximum speed, 2,400 km per hour. Combat range, 1,600 km. Ferry range, 4,500 km. Service ceiling, 59,000 feet. Eurofighter Typhoon. Power plant. Power by 2 Eurojet EJ200 engines, 60 kN thrust each engines dry, 90 kN with afterburner each engines, Sukhoi Su-35. Power plant. Power by 2 Saturn AL-41 F1S engines, 86.3 kN thrust each dry, 142 kN with afterburner each engines. Eurofighter Typhoon. Air-to-air missiles. 1. AIM-120C AMRAAM range 105 km. 2. AIM-132S RAM range 25 km. 3. AIM-9 Sidewinder range 35 km. 4. IRIS-T range 25 km. 5. Meteor range 160 km, Sukhoi Su-35. Air-to-air missiles. 1. R-27 range 120 to 130 km. 2. R-40 range 50 to 80 km. 3. R-60 range 8 km. 4. R-73 range 30 km. 5. R-74 range 40 km. 6. R-77 range 193 km. Eurofighter Typhoon. Avionics. 1. Euroradar captor radar. 2. Passive infrared airborne tracking equipment. 3. Damocles, targeting pod. 4. Lightning III laser targeting pod. 5. Sniper advanced targeting pod, Sukhoi Su-35. Avionics. 1. Airbus passive electronically scanned array radar. 2. OLS-35 infrared search and track system. 3. L-175M Kybanium electronic countermeasures system. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.